Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Bengal Club, I extend a warm welcome to all of you to one of our most awaited programs, Agomoni 2020. I'm sure all of you would have loved being physically present at the club, but despite the challenging situation, we are very happy to have been able to organize this evening so that we welcome Ma Durga and seek her blessings to stay safe and tide over these trying times. I would like to thank our sponsors, Kannani Properties, without whose help and support this would not have been possible. Agomoni means welcome, and traditionally it is done through a collection of songs. The sole objective of such songs is to celebrate the spirit of welcoming Ma Durga. One of the most prominent imageries of Durga Puja is the triumph over good over evil through the depiction of Ma Durga slaying Mahishasur, who is known for his deception as someone who pursued his evil ways by transforming into different forms. He was ultimately killed by Ma Durga, and this act is termed as Mahishasur Mordini. On a lighter note, ladies and gentlemen, the avatar this year is the coronavirus, and he is now popularly known as COVID Oshur, the invisible enemy that we are all fighting. We do hope and pray that all of you stay safe and well during the forthcoming festive season. To recreate the triumph over good over evil through the act of Mahishasur Mordini, we are very proud and honored this evening to welcome among us one of India's most respected and honored artists in her genre, the one and only Dr. Shobhana Narayan. Dr. Shobhana Narayan is synonymous with Kathak. With a performing career of more than 5 decades, she's a doyen of this art form. She was awarded the Padma Shri in 1992 and the Sangeet Natak Academy Award in 2001. Her admirers are often surprised to learn that she has been conferred a D.Litt besides holding 2 MPhil degrees in Defense and Strategic Studies and in Social Sciences, and a master's degree in physics. She is a performer, choreographer, researcher, organizer, author, and guru to many of her shishyas. Her pristine and sparkling performance, while steeped in classicism and tradition, breathed fresh air of artistic innovations and social consciousness. Even when the trend was to emote thumris, she opened the doors to the new path of basing her emotional outpourings from verses of Hindi and Sanskrit literatures, and thus exhibited a silent revolution, infusing traditional vocabulary with modern sensibilities. She has spearheaded and produced international collaborative work with nationally and internationally known Indian and Western dancers and musicians, and with special children. Guru Shobhana Narayan is perhaps the only example of a person who has relentlessly pursued 2 parallel exacting professional careers. One as a civil servant, and the other a recognized Kathak dancer and guru, achieving distinction and great heights in both. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to welcome Guru Shobhana Narayan.
प्रथम शैल पुत्री द्वैतम् ब्रह्मचारिणी त्रेतम् चन्द्रघण्टेति कुष्माण्डेति चतुर्थम् पञ्चम स्कन्दमातेति षष्ठम् कात्यायनी च सप्तम् कालरात्रि महागौरिति षष्ठम् नवम् सिद्धिरात्रि च नवदुर्गा परकीर्तिता च नवदुर्गा परकीर्तिता च नवदुर्गा परकीर्तिता
Namaskar. I'm so happy to be here, performing before the honorable members of the Bengal Club. And I'm so grateful to the President, Secretary of the Bengal Club, and to Showcase Events for giving us this opportunity of being with you this evening. Today, we are welcoming Durga. Agamuni Durga. And therefore, Durga, who is our protector. Today we have a new demon around us. Durga protected us against so many demons. Chandamund, Raktabij, Mahishasur. Today we have a new demon called the coronavirus, and we are invoking Lord Goddess Durga to protect us. But Durga is feminine Shakti. Without her, without this energy, there can be no Shiva, who would otherwise become Shiva. And this energy can be seen in the rhythmic portion, the Nritta Paddhati of Kathak. Kathak, the dance form of the Indo-Gangetic belt, which is more than 2,500 years old, finds mention in the Mahabharata and in the Prakrit verse of 4th century before Christ. Gangaye Mahanadiye Tate Sabbo Kathaka Bingarna Tenam Stuti Tisikayam Ehiraya Adinaho Bhavenam Pasai. And in that, so a few, in the Nritta Paddhati, a few, Uthan, Amar, Tore, Tukre, Paran. Din, da, din, da, din, da, Peshe Uthan, din, da, din, da, din, da. Dig, dig, tay, da, tay, da, tay, dig, dig, tay, da, tay, da, tay, da, tay, da, tay, ya, tay, da, tay, tay, da, da, da. This pattern. Ta, din, 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 din. Dig, dig, tay, ta, tay, ta, tay, ta, tay, ta, tay, dig, dig, tay. Ah, tay, 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 ta, tay, ta, tay, ta, tay, tay, ta, tay, 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 ta, 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 tay, 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 ta, 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 tay, 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 ta, 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 ta. piece. Since we're talking about Durga, how can I leave her Shiv behind? This is Shiva and his abhushan, the ornamentation of the Nag and the Chandra. Here is a piece, the Nagparan. Da, din, da, da. Da, na take it, da, na take it, da, take it, naga, take it, da, take it, da, da, get it, naga, da, na, da, da, get it, naga, da, na, da, da, get it, naga, da, na, da, na, the pattern is repeated thrice. We have another great dancer. One is Shiva, the Hara. And then we have Hari, Krishna, again our protector. So this protector and Shiva, again a protector. The two faces, Hari and Hara. And both are dancers dancing to the sound of the mridang. Then here's an Hari Harparan. Then da, then da, take it da, take it gena, kata gena, kata gena, kata da, take it da, take it gena, kata gena, kata gena. Dem, kata da, da, In Kathak, there is a saying that Krishna किसे के पैरों से जो निकला हुआ बोल है, that's the Tathai Thetat. And that Tathai Thetat happens to form the base of a Kathak Tatkar. So here is a piece just based on the words Tathai Thetat. Din. Ta-thai, ta-ta-thai, ta-ta-thai, ta-thai, ta-ta-thai, ta-ta-thai, ta-ta-thai. Te ta 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 te te ta 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 te ta ta te ta ta te ta te ta te ta te 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 ta 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 te te ta 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 te te ta 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 te ta ta te ta ta te ta te ta te ta te 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 ta 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 te te ta 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 te te ta 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 da da. Krishna. A piece at Kathak. We say that we even speak with our feet. And why do we speak? We are Kathaks. We tell stories from the Purans, the Mahabharata, the great epics, through the medium of dance. Hence the name Kathak. But our feet also tells a story. I'll do something to the feet. I don't think I need to tell you what it is. I'm sure you'll come to know. That was, as you rightly guessed, the sound of the trotting of the horses. And Krishna, he was a Sarathi in the Mahabharata battle. And it is that piece, Da, Din. I'll say it out. Din, Da, Din, Ashwaparan. When I talk of Krishna, how can I leave Arjun, who was standing over there, who was a passenger with his bow and arrow? So here is actually a very traditional paran, which is being done as a bhav paran. क्या बात है? आखिर में the imagery is that of beautiful weather, and suddenly the gathering clouds, thunder, lightning. The rains in which Krishna and Radha are swinging on the swing and they dance in ecstasy. This is the Jhulna Paran. I'll say it out. Well, that was the Nritya Paddhati of Kathak. I would like to do a piece on Durga. How can Kathak be complete without the Abhinay piece? After all, we are Kathakars. We narrate a story. And we are welcoming Durga to protect us. We have this new Mahishasur amongst us, the coronavirus. But there's also another Mahishasur, and that is the fear within each one of us. We have to overcome the outside Mahishasur as well as the inner Mahishasur. So here it is. We are reading about Nirbhay episodes day in, day out. So the piece starts with the girl going, who is being, well, subject to unwanted attention by the young males, and she pleads to someone to come and save her, but no one comes forward. And she falls in despair. Suddenly, a voice says, where is that Durga within you? Jago Ma. Jago Ma. Jago Durga. And she invokes that Durga within her. And finally, that Durga comes out to kill the Mahishasur around and also within the person. The fear within the person. This is a piece on Mahishasur Mardini, but in the contemporary context. We have taken this liberty, my musicians and I, of taking a very well-known Bengali piece, Jago Ma, and pardon us if we make any mistakes in its singing, but we thought we would love to do it because it's so beautiful. And I would like to introduce my musicians. On the tabla is Janab Shakil Ahmed Khan. On the pakhavaj and padhant is Mahavir Gangani. And the person who would be singing Jago Ma, who's my vocalist and music composer, is Madhav Prasad. And on the violin is Azhar Shakil. Mahishasur Mardani, Jago Ma.
जागो माँ, जागो माँ, जागो, जागो माँ, जागो माँ, जागो माँ, जागो माँ, जागो माँ, जागो माँ, जागो, जागो माँ, जागो, तुम जागो, जागो, तुम जागो, जागो दुर्गा, जागो 10 प्रहरणी धरणी, जागो दुर्गा, जागो 10 प्रहरणी धरणी, अभय शक्ति बल प्रदायिनी तुम जागो, अभय शक्ति बल प्रदायिनी तुम जागो, जागो, तुम जागो, प्रणमे वरदा अजरा अतुला प्रणामी वरेदा अजरा अतुला प्रणामी वरेदा अजरा अतुला बहुबल धरणी विपुदल वरणी बहुदल धरणी विपुदल वरणी जागो मां शरणमयी चंडिका शंकरी जागो जागो मां शरणमयी चंडिका शंकरी जागो जागो मां 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 जागो मां
धान धग दिट तगन धग दिट धान धग दिट तगन धग दिट धान धग दिट तगन धग दिट तगन धग दिट ताद दा दुर्ग दुर्गति नाशनी दल असुर दल 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 मलित दल शुंभ शुंभन मार काट प्रचार दा तनिक रहे में भुवन त्रिभुवन जेत जे सुन सकल निर्भय गान गाओ ताल दे 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 मृदंगन तक धिंगण दड़ित नदि गण गिंद दा दिन दा गदग दिन दा गदग दिन दा गदग दिन दा गिंदा गिंदा गदग दिन दा गदग दिन दा गदग दिन दा गिंदा गिंदा गदग दिन दा गदग दिन दा गदग दिन दा
जागो मां ओम दुर्गाय नमः 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 ओम दुर्गाय नमः
We now come to the last item of this evening. This is once again a problem that is to be seen and read, which happened earlier, but it's still happening today. It is the woman seeking her own identity. Unable to do so, she's in a mood of dejection. She's beset with fear, uncertainty within. And suddenly a voice tells her, "Why are you weeping? If you had played with the children in your childhood, with all the neighborhood children, if you had played with dolls in your childhood, if you had dreamt dreams in your childhood, those can be fulfilled if you have the strength within you. So, remove the Mahishasur demon of fear within you. Remove the demon of Rakta Bij, that one fear goes, another one comes. Remove it from within you. And make life beautiful. Invoke the Durga within you, and you will see a beautiful life. You have to carve out your own path. Each one of us has to carve out our own path and traverse on it and derive enjoyment and pleasure from the life that we create for ourselves. This is a piece, a traditional piece, the first half, And the second half is a poetry, a contemporary poetry by Tara Pandey. And with that, and we end it off on a high with footwork, Ek Ghungra Ki Awaaz and others. Go hum.
सखी ओ सखी सखी कैसे बदला जीवन सबरे कैसे बदला जीवन सबरे जीवन सबरे कैसे बदला जीवन सबरे कैसे बदला जीवन सबरे सखी रे कैसे बदला जीवन सबरे कैसे बदला जीवन सबरे जो सज कर निकला करती थी सज कर सज कर सज कर सज कर जो सज कर निकला करती थी सज कर निकला करती थी सज कर वो सज कर निकला करती थी अब रहे बंद कमरों में अब रहे बंद हम कमरों में वायरस ने फैलाया वो डर वायरस ने फैलाया वो डर ग्रस्त किया हमें इस दानव ने ग्रस्त किया हमें इस दानव ने सखी रे कैसे बदला जीवन सबरे कैसे बदला जीवन सबरे तुम ही कहो, तुम ही कहो, तुम ही कहो, तुम ही कहो, तुम ही कहो अश्रु तुम्हारे, तुम ही कहो अश्रु तुम्हारे, किसके काम आए, किसके काम आएंगे, कब तक गम में डूबे रहोगी, कब तक गम में डूबे रहोगी, खुद की शक्ति अब जगाना रे, खुद के शक्ति अब जगाना रे, सखी रे कैसे बदला जीवन सब रे, कैसे बदला जीवन सब रे, जीवन सब रे, जीवन सब रे, जीवन सब रे, जीवन सब रे। ओ कवि तुम ऐसा गीत बनाना, तुम ऐसा गीत बनाना, ओ कवि तुम ऐसा गीत बनाना, ऐसा गीत बनाना, जीवन की सच्ची सुंदरता, जीवन की सच्ची सुंदरता तुम उसमें दिखलाना, ओ कवि तुम ऐसा गीत बनाना, ऐसा गीत बनाना, तुम ऐसा गीत बनाना, ऐसा गीत बनाना, पल भर दुख सुख सब मिट जावे, पल भर दुख सुख सब मिट जावे, रोम रोम पुलकित होगा, रोम रोम, रोम रोम, रोम रोम, रोम रोम, पल भर दुख सुख सब मिट जावे, रोम रोम पुलकित होगा, उस महान उस परम शक्ति का, उस महान उस परम शक्ति का दर्शन मुझे कराना, ओ कवि तुम ऐसा गीत बनाना, ऐसा गीत बनाना, ऐसा गीत बनाना, ऐसा गीत बनाना। ओ कभी ऐसा गीत बना, ऐसा गीत बना, तुम ऐसा गीत बना, गीत बना, गीत बनाना.
And with that, we come to an end to this evening's program. And before going, I would like to introduce my musicians once again, because I'm so grateful to them for being here. On the tabla, Shakil Ahmed Khan. Music composer and vocalist, Madho Prasad. On the pakhavaj and padhant, Mahavir Gangani. And on the violin, Azhar Shakil. And I'm Shubhna Narayan. So once again, I would like to thank all members of the Bengal Club, the President and Secretary of the Bengal Club, and Showcase Events for giving us this opportunity of being with you this evening while welcoming Durga Mata. In fact, let me tell you a secret. Bengal is my Janmasthan. I was born in Calcutta, in Baliganj, and so I have a special affinity for Kolkata and Bengal. And it's so wonderful that on this auspicious occasion, all of you have given me the opportunity of being with you on this beautiful moment in welcoming Durga Mata and in exhorting people to kill the Mahishasur virus amongst us, as well as the Mahishasur virus of fear within us. Thank you so much indeed. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm really speechless. Kathak Guru Shobnaji's dance was spellbinding, mesmerizing. It was a beautiful performance, extremely emotional and moving. Padma Shri Shobna's great charisma distinguishes her from all other dancers. Why? Because she puts her heart and soul in the entire presentation. Strong interpretation of thoughts through movements and dance recitals were exemplary. We are also thankful to Kannani Property Limited, the sponsors for tonight, for enabling us to put the entire program together and giving all of us the wonderful experience. Thanks once again to Kannani Property Limited. Our special thanks to our great president, Mr. Shomendranath Mukherjee, for arranging Shobnaji and the sponsor. We are also thankful to you all, our members of the club, our great viewers who attach their passion for hearing such programs, logging into the Zoom and making this event a lively performance. Our special thanks to a lady, Madam Nanni Singh, who represents Showcase Events, for putting and coordinating the entire program together to bring before us this spectacular show. Thanks, Nanni, for making this happen. Our thanks to Club F&B for preparing delectable food for making this, as takeaways for making this event all the more memorable. Last but not the least, our thanks to the entire team of Bengal Club, starting from the CEO, including Gurudas Mitra in charge of systems, for putting this entire event together for a seamless presentation. So enjoy the rest of the evening. A very good night to you all. Thanks.